What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio, and this is ARK Investment. Woo! I am feeling good today, guys. I have beautiful news for you guys. I have a breaking news, and I have this news about ARK Invest, and I have one breaking news, and I want to go deep into this ARK Invest Big Ideas 2021 PDF file. As you guys can see, this is a 112 pages file. And the only important part that we just have to take a look at is the genome section, okay? We don't have to take a look at the battery, the energy, the artificial intelligence, the whatever autonomous vehicles, we just have to take a look at the genome section and see what ARK Invest is planning to do with their money and where they believe this industry, this genome industry is headed towards. So let's get to it. But before I continue, guys, if you are new on this channel, if this is your first time of seeing my video, just remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And what I do every day is daily podcast of BioNano Genomics, so anything that is related to the genomics section, talking about PacBio, talking about Illumina, that is part of what I discuss on this channel. And I always bring you the breaking news that you can't find anywhere else as at now. That is what I do best, guys. So subscribe, hit the like button. I am your guy. If you have any question about BioNano Genomics, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section. So let's take a look at what's gonna happen today. Before I continue, there is this part I want to read for you guys because this PDF I already went through it, and I want to try and explain what I believe ARK is doing. Because a lot of people are wondering if ARK is going to put their money into BioNano Genomics or not. And let's take a look at what ARK think is going to happen in 2021 so we can at least predict what they are up to and if they are going to invest in BioNano Genomics or not. So you guys can see this is the introduction. ARK aims to identify large-scale investment opportunities by focusing on who we believe to be the leaders, enablers, and beneficiaries of disruptive innovation. While we believe innovation is the key to growth, the opportunities it creates can be missed and misunderstood by traditional investment managers who are more focused on sectors, indexes, short-term earnings, and price movements. So what ARK is trying to say is they are specialized. They have, analysts that are specialized in each sector. They, as a fund, they are not just focusing on earning reports or something like that. They want to know, they want to be the first to tell us which technology, which company is going to be disruptive, or which industry is going to be disrupted. So that is what they're trying to tell us here. So let's take a look at the topics. Then we can just skip over to the important parts to also. We can see from one, we have deep learning, we have, we have the virtual world, we have the digital wallet, Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. We have the automation, we have the delivery drones, blah, blah, blah. And finally, this number 13, we have long grid sequencing. So that's what we have to, I think it's on page 92. We have long grid sequencing. So let's take a look at that. We are going down to page 92, baby. Let's go. Na, 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 na. We are almost there. Almost. Yes. Long grid sequencing. So let's take a look at what ARK is trying to predict in this industry. So they say long grid sequencing could provide a more complete picture of the human genome. So this first statement, I think it's a little bit, strange, So let's continue. Next generation DNA sequencing, NGS, is the driving force behind the genomic revolution. Though historically dominated by short-read sequencing, we believe long-read sequencing will gain share at a rapid rate. ARK believes long-read technology offers superior accuracy, more comprehensive variant detection, and a richer set of features than short-read platforms. By the end of 2025, highly accurate long-read short-read sequencing should approach cost parity. We estimate that long-read revenues will grow 82% at an annual rate from $250 million in 2020 to roughly $5 billion in 2025. Okay. I'm still gonna come back to this sector because you guys know I already shared about BioNano Genomics, and their market opportunity, and I predicted it's going to be around 4 billion US dollars minimum in my very one of my first 5 posts, I believe, where I predict the price target, where I said my price target is 100 US dollars. I was trying to explain to you guys why my price target is 100 US dollars, and I gave this estimate that the market opportunity of BioNano Genomics, because they are trying to disrupt this cytogenetic industry, and I said it is 4 billion US dollars. So I don't know why ARK is saying long grid revenue will grow its 2% at blah 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 blah. Okay, let's continue, guys. So we have this the genomic toolkit is expanding to provide a fuller, richer, and more accurate view into biology. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm just gonna interpret what ARK Invest is trying to say here. Okay, so according to them, this is the first generation sequencing, Sanger sequencing. Then after a few years, we have the second generation sequencing. We have this short read sequencing, from Illumina, BGI Genomics, Thermo Fisher Scientific, and Genapsys. So this is the machine. This is, I believe, where PacBio also is right now. So I don't understand why PacBio is not included in this, in this list. I don't know why PacBio is here. Let's continue. We know that we have the DNA and we have the RNA sector, okay? And as we can see, 10x Genomics, they are into the RNA, the single cell biology, sequencing, we have this digital cell biology also here from Berkeley Lights, and they have the spatial biology for spatial profiling and in situ imaging also from 10x Genomics, and they are putting these guys ahead of these guys. And I'm going to tell you guys, I have been following this daily trading desk of ARK Invest. They have been buying 10x Genomics for days now, because previously they had no 10x Genomics, I believe. So since last week I have been tracking them. They have been putting a lot of money into this stock. So if you guys want to know what ARK is putting money into, I just told you right now. 10x Genomics. The stock is around 170 something, I believe, US dollars per share. So if you want to jump on board, I think it's not too late. So we can see BioNano Genomics is the only company they have up here, and they are trying to tell us after 10x Genomics is BioNano Genomics. Why ARK is not yet invested in BioNano Genomics, I have no freaking idea, guys. You guys can see BioNano Genomics, according to ARK Invest, is in front of 10x Genomics and in front of Illumina and all this old school, sequencing style, this short read sequencing technologies. And we can see their big bet is on what? Third generation sequencing, and they are predicting it's going to come from PacBio, Pacific Biosciences, using the long read sequencing, synthesis/fluorescent, and electromechanical Oxford Nanopore. So guys, in my last video that I shared that was about patents, I told you guys BioNano Genomics is up to something using this nano nozzles. I believe BioNano Genomics is trying to implement electromechanical technology in their Sapphire device. That is what I believe BioNano Genomics is up to. Now they have enough money. They have around 300 million US dollars, 300 and something million US dollars, and I believe they are doing something with this. So guys, you are hearing here first time. I am the first person that shared it in my video about BioNano Genomics patents. You can easily check my history. Go to my channel, check my history. You can find it there. So I believe BioNano Genomics is doing something here, and I believe BioNano Genomics is going to beat Pacific Biosciences into this third generation sequencing, whatever ARK Invest is betting on. Because according to ARK Invest, before 2025, they believe, if you read what they wrote here, the market opportunity is going to be 5 billion US dollars by 2025. And according to one comment from Simon is predicting that Pacific Biosciences, in cooperation with Google Deep Learning and this Invitee or whatever they call that company, this collaboration they are making with that company, they are going to come up with a solution, a long grid, sequencing, next generation long grid sequencing solution technology, or that is what they are betting on. But I believe my baby BioNano Genomics is going to beat all of them, because BioNano Genomics is already doing long grid. BioNano Genomics is already able to detect all the structural variants that all these old school technology, dinosaur technologies are unable to detect. And BioNano Genomics is disrupting a over 50-year-old industry. You know, it took them decades. I shared this on my Twitter. If you guys are not yet following me, just go to bonus level fund on Twitter. You'll find me there. I have a lot of amazing people following me there. You know, we are all into BioNano Genomics stock, and you can find perfect information there as well. So let's see if they have one more page. Okay, you can see historically researchers had to choose between accuracy with SRS or comprehensive with LRS. So both LRS and SRS system break the genome into smaller fragments, analyze the fragment with high resolution optic, blah 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 blah. So they are just trying to predict what is going to happen with short read sequencing and long read sequencing. This is where Pacific Bioscience is also, okay? This is where I believe they are, and they are predicting Park Bio is going to be here by 2025. So that is their bet. You can see they are also predicting the price, the synthesis-based LRS and SRS could near cost parity by 2025. You know, they are predicting the price is going to drop down, you know, around this $100 level. I believe BioNano Genomics is already able to do this price, but you know, they are holding back. They want to see come on. The chief financial officer of BioNano Genomics is Stewart, man. This guy is from Maxwell Technologies, you know, the company that was acquired by Tesla. What do you think? That guy is a genius. We have a lot of amazing people at BioNano Genomics. You know, we have the chief medical officer, Alka. We have, you know, Sven is there. You know, we have what's his name? Christopher is there. I mean, list goes on. So yeah, I think ARK is going to lose this bet, and if they win this bet, BioNano Genomics is going to beat them, you know, to get there. That is my prediction, and I think that is all about this ARK Invest. I don't want to share more. I don't think there's anything further to talk about here. So let's move on to the breaking news. All right, so yesterday I found this page, you know, this photo. I found it on Reddit. An amazing guy, he shared this with me, and that guy is also one of my followers. He shared it with me on Twitter as well yesterday. Immediately the market closed, but I found it like few hours before the market closed, and I shared it with my fellow Discord members. You know, you can find me, if you go to my Twitter, you can find a link to my Discord if you want to be part of it. Before the market closed, I told them one analyst just raised the price target of BioNano Genomics to $14, and they are from Ladenburg Thalmann. You know, this is the second time we have an analyst raising their price target to $14. Their price target was $1.25, and they raised it. You guys can just imagine, from $1.25 to $14. That is insane, guys. The 52-week range of BioNano Genomics, the Bngo, you know, the ticker, is from $0.25 to $13.65. Crazy momentum. And the shares outstanding is 215 million, and we have this market capitalization of $2.7 billion. They have around $350 million in cash. They have around 15.7 million debt. This is the first time I'm seeing the debt, and we can see, so as at December, that's what they wrote here. So according to them, let's take a look, because this file is not complete, guys. Okay, it's not complete because we cannot find this news anywhere else. We can see the file is not complete, so this is just what we have for now, and this is very similar to the previous price target increase from the previous analyst, you know, because this is more or less the same thing. You know, they talked about, I believe this is just about the symposium that happened 2 weeks ago, and the kind of industry BioNano Genomics is trying to disrupt with their Sapphire system. I believe that is what they are also telling us here, and as you can see, the price target is also $14. If you haven't seen where I spoke about this $14 price target, go and see my previous videos, guys. I share everything every day. This is a daily podcast for me. This is what I do every day. I share it every day so that you guys, so that I can do the dirty work for you. All you have to do is to come over to my YouTube channel and check out a 5-minute video to stay ahead of the competition, so that you can know how to invest smart in this company. Don't chicken out. Don't be a donkey, like my friend Chicken Genius, like Chicken Genius would say. So that is all about this price target, guys. Let's take a look at where the price is, and perhaps I can do a very fast technical analysis for you guys. All right, BioNanians, we can see the price is down like -6% pre-market. I can tell you guys why this market is behaving like crazy. Take a look at this trending ticker. We have AMC and we have GME. I'm going to show you guys what is going on with these stupid two stocks right now. We can see AMC Entertainment Holding. We have a lot of things going on Reddit, and people are just trying to kill short sellers, and this is where the money is moving to, guys. Look at that, 100% pre-market. Let's take a look at GME. Look at that, guys, 104% pre-market. That is absolutely insane. This stock few weeks ago was around $3, and you guys can see. So as you guys can see, GameStop Corp is insane, absolutely insane. I mean, I saw this few days ago, I think 2 days ago. I saw it was around $40, and right now the stock is up more than 150%. That is, I don't even know what to say about this. So let's get back to BioNano Genomics, guys. So pre-market is looking like, down 6%, but I am absolutely not worried about this, because last time when I'm going to show you guys where I was buying 2 days ago. So the market cap is around $3.3 billion. Now we are down like 6%. I think that's going to come down to around 2.8 or 2.7 or 2.9 if we open at this price, of course. And the volume, you can see the volume is now absolutely perfect. I like this volume. 2 days ago when I made a video, this volume was above 100 million, and right now it is down almost at the average price, which means volatility is almost gone. And this is very good. This is very stable. This is very conservative. I don't like really when stock price is jumping too high, because it's brings in a lot of FOMO traders, a lot of day traders that are looking to double their money overnight. But this stock is not about overnight. This is a long game for me, guys, okay? And so we can see right now there is no breaking news about the price increase, about the new analyst that just made an increases its price targets from $1.25 to $14. Yahoo Finance is still not yet talking about it. I am the one breaking that news for you guys, okay? So let's go to the technical analysis. All right, BioNanians, let's start with the weekly candlestick so that we can at least have a bigger picture of what is going on. So this is what is presently going on, guys, okay? Right now this price is down like 6%, and that is around this level, okay? Around this 11.47 dollars, around this level, okay? It's gonna be around this level. So we can see the weekly candlestick is still green, and today is of course Wednesday. We still have more or less 3 trading days to go, so I am not worried at all. We just have to wait and see what's gonna happen today. We can see the volume is down, it's going down, which means the volume is stable. The volume is going down, but the stock price is still relatively high. I like what I am seeing so far. So what's gonna happen? Let's take a look at the daily candlestick, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a bearish candlestick, okay? This is a bearish, this is more or less like a piercing candlestick, okay? And if we open with a cap down around 11.46, that's gonna be around this level, okay? And I am watching this level. This is the level I am watching right now, $11.32. I am watching this level because we have a gap from this level till this level. We have a gap from $11.32. We have it still this level, $9.76. You guys know $10 was my strong resistance, and there is still a very good possibility that we are going to come back and retest this $10 level, okay? I am going to show you what I was doing on Monday. So this is what happened on Monday. We saw this massive spike, which, the stock opened around this level, $11.26, and went straight to this 138.2 Fibonacci level, and it bounced back immediately and came down to $10.44, and I was buying like crazy. I told you guys that I don't buy tops, I buy bottoms. So that is what I did here when that candlestick went straight down. I mean, it was obviously, there was no news, nothing. It was just market panicking, and people all over the market, the stock went down at the same time on this level, because I was watching everything. Not only, I don't just watch BioNano Genomics, focus on all the stocks in total. So when it came down, I loaded up like crazy around here, and right now all those positions are green. So today, this is what is gonna happen today, guys. Okay, this is what is going to happen today. So we have this support around this 10.43 US dollars level, and don't forget there is also this gap from this level. Okay, from around this 10 US dollars level till this level. Okay, there is this gap. This is a gap, guys. Look at that. This is a gap, and in most cases gaps are filled. But the thing is, there was this spike on Monday that came down to this level, this 10.44 US dollars level. And in my opinion, there's also a possibility that we are not going to see the price in this range again, because we came down to that level and immediately it was bought. So anything that comes down around here is a very good buy for me. I am going to buy anything. I believe that is a strong buy. Anything that comes here, we have a lot of buyers in this range. Okay, a lot of people that missed all this level, they are waiting here. A lot of people are waiting here, guys. They are waiting to load up. So this is where I am, and if we manage to break this 138.2 level, which is above this, around this 14 US dollars level, let me put a line there. So this is where the price is right now. We are in this range right now. Okay, we are in this 11.32 and 14 US dollars level. Okay, and if we manage to blast out of this range, it may take some days. A lot of people just want this stock to just go up every day, but it doesn't work like that, guys. Tesla was consolidating for almost 4 years, before it finally broke out in 2000 and towards the end of 2019. And no, after the market crash, that was last year. In April, that was when the craziness finished. So it may take days, it may take weeks, guys. Just load up. If it comes down, I am not selling any of my shares right now, and I don't plan to sell any of the shares. I mean, I am just waiting and taking my time, because I know already I have done my due diligence. You have to do yours also. You have to remember, my videos are for educational purpose, and I am not an investor, investment advisor, or whatever. I am not your daddy. You have to do your own homework by yourself. I have done mine, and I am just trying to share my own opinion, which of course is not financial advice. So that is all I'm gonna share for you guys. Remember, BioNano Genomics is trying to disrupt a over 50-year-old industry, guys. So it's not gonna be a day job. They have the Sapphire system that can do miracles, perform miracles that all the sequencing devices from ParkBio or Illumina are unable to do. I have said this over 1 million times. BioNano Genomics Sapphire is able to detect structural variants, that all these technologies are unable to detect. So what else do you want me to say? Now you know my play. I mean, you have already seen where I am buying. You have already seen, and I have already told you that I am not selling, and I have already shared the 2 breaking news I have for you guys. Also I spoke about the ARK Invest big ideas of 2021. So now go and chill out. Have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dio. This is Franklin Investment. Bye bye.